All right, everyone, now we've got the Buck 293 Inertia. This guy is gonna be a drop point stone-washed 420 high carbon blade with a nylon handle. Really cool knife. I love the little skeletalized scales we've got here. Really good and grippy. If I'm not mistaken, the blade is just over 3 inches. Yeah, 3 1/8 inches. Liner lock, bringing it down, but make sure you have your back lock either engage or disengage. Once again, this being an assisted knife, if that is engaged, you are not opening or deploying that knife, but as soon as this is down, that blade will deploy as soon as you press that back flipper. This guy also sits nice and flush. I really like that actual feature. When I have my hand on here, that is actually nice and smooth. It's not gonna interrupt or interfere, give me any kind of hot spots. You've got a removable deep carry pocket clip, just one side, but it does sit nice and flush. I really like that. You can see that on a lot of other Buck knives. And this is just one of those really cool assisted knives that Bucks come out with, that ASAP technology to help you deploy that knife. Everyone, the Buck 293 Inertia.